How to fix you can't message this account on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if you can't message a particular account on Facebook Messenger. So the first thing you need to make sure is that they haven't blocked you, because in many cases, if someone has blocked you, it will show as this person isn't available on Messenger, or you can't message this account because of their account settings. But in many cases, what you can do is long press on Messenger. Sometimes it just might be some glitches. Tap on the I button. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find storage. Tap on storage and then clear cache at the bottom right corner. Once you clear cache, you can also try to clear your data and then tap on delete. It's going to log you out of your account. Now you just basically have to log in. And then once that is done, tap on force stop. It's going to force stop the app. Once that is done, go back to your messenger and try to message that person one more time. If it doesn't work, then you can ask them to unblock you if you're connected on any other platform. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. Then you can go to settings and report a problem from here. Tap on report technical problem. Tap on report anyway, and then tap on include diagnostics. Make sure that you say you're not able to message only particular person. Tap on send. Messenger will get back to you within a few days. You just have to follow their instruction and they'll fix your problem. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.